guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back again. Today we're going to be nature journaling the earth. So today's Earth Day 2020. We're all cooped up in our house. If you're watching this years from now, we're all cooped up in our house because of the coronavirus, so we are nature journaling on our iPads to pass the time. So today we'll be doing Earth, and I'm going to actually use my own painting of Earth that I have in my solar system guide as my reference. So we'll go ahead and get started. So in Procreate, if you create a shape and then hold it, it'll make a perfect shape for you. And I'm going to make it a circle. I'm going to kind of erase off this edge just a little bit. I'm going to see if it'll fill it in. Yes, it will. Okay, so I'm going to move this to the center of my canvas. All right, now I'm going to get started on my continents. I'm going to add a new layer. Actually, first I think I'm going to give this ocean some texture. I'm going to alpha lock this layer. I'm going to find some kind of navy blue and find a really interesting brush. Let's see. I think I'm going to do a wash brush because those tend to do best for what I'm looking for. I'm making a new layer and creating a clipping mask. So anything I put on this layer is going to go only inside this circle. Okay, so now it's kind of a splotchy, it's not so flat, we've got some texture to our ocean. So now I'm going to go to my continent layer and I'm going to start adding my continents that I have over here. So I pulled up a reference photo of Earth right here so I can get my shapes kind of how I want them, and I also wanted to add a little bit more color than I have over here on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the shape of the continents, North America and South America. And this will be really loose. It's not going to be perfect. I'm just kind of doing it really loose so that I don't stress over it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add some color to my continents, some yellows, maybe some darker greens. So I put this layer on alpha lock. I'm going to go up here and find a nice golden yellow. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a wash brush and kind of softened the edges of my continents because they felt a little too stark against the ocean. So I just softened the edges a little bit, and I think I like the look of that a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to add all the beautiful clouds in the sky. So I made a new layer. I'm gonna grab the white color, and then I'm gonna use multiple brushes in this. I'll probably use some of the wash brushes to do a really faint cloud, and then I'll add detailed clouds with a different kind of brush. Okay, so I added some swirly clouds with several different kinds of brushes. I've got a gouache brush in here. I have a wet brush, a wet mop brush, and I kind of added some white to the north and south poles for ice. So there's our Earth. It was pretty simple. I hope that it was easy for you guys. I hope it was easy to follow along. Now I think I'll add a little bit of information for our nature journal entry, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, there we are. We're done with our Earth painting. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come join me for the next one. Thanks so much for watching.